Good day, my friends. I have some pears that I have to use, and I decided that I want to bake them. First thing is wash your pears, cut them in half, and remove the core. And then get them ready on a baking dish. Make sure that your baking dish has parchment paper. Where the core was, I added breadcrumbs, but you can add whatever you prefer. For example, you can add any type of nuts like walnuts, pistachio, whatever you prefer. If you use any type of nuts, just make sure that they're crushed. On top of the breadcrumbs, I add a bit of butter, so you can do the same if you add any type of nuts. I did not have any brie, but if I had some brie, I would add some brie on top of the butter. You can also add gorgonzola. At this point, what I did, I added a walnut on top of the butter. But could you imagine if you had either brie, cheese, or the gorgonzola? That would be so tasty. Then I had some prosciutto, and I wrapped the prosciutto around the pear. Absolutely gives that saltiness that we want to have with the sweet of the pear. It's a perfect marriage. Put the pears in the oven at 200 Celsius for 15 minutes. I have a few pears that I did not add prosciutto. That is because my husband did not want prosciutto, so he has the plain ones. After 15 minutes, remove the pears from the oven. Let them rest at least a good, I would say good 10 minutes, and then you can drizzle on your favorite honey. The one that I have is honey of bergamotto, which is absolutely delicious. There you have a very simple starter that will really have an explosion in your mouth. Between the saltiness of the prosciutto, between the sweetness of the pear. But I just want to repeat, if you have either brie or gorgonzola cheese, put with this, it's going to even elevate it even more. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know if you will try it, and I'll see you in the next recipe.